Organisation is key for a coach to have, because when preparing for a session, the coach needs to be aware of what they are doing and have all the equipment they need ready for the session and to be successful. However, they need to be roughly aware of how many numbers they're due to have, so that they can plan to change the session. A coach also needs to have awareness of any factors that can affect the participants for joining in, or any conditions that could be affected. Another responsibility that a coach has to do is ensure that they book the correct facilities well in advance to make sure that they definitely have them. In a basketball scenario, if a coach sets up for a drill in advance, then the participants can get as much game time and practice in as possible. A coach needs to have a really good relationship with all of the participants to make sure a session goes more smoothly and is more enjoyable for the participants. The relationship between the participant and the coach creates a good trust between them to help the participant perform to their best ability without feeling uncomfortable. The best way a coach builds a good rapport with the participants is to find good common interest between them. And this is called rapport. In every sport, a coach should have the highest level of communication. This is to enable that they can control their audience and make sure that they can tell them exactly what to do. If a coach doesn't have good communication, then the participants can go off running and doing other things like shooting a ball into a net without them telling them to. For example, if a coach is running an under-8s football session, they need to have good communication with them to ensure that they're not messing around, because every 8-year-old footballer likes to go up to a ball and kick it in a net when they see it.